Hello! Today we are going to learn about Zoom breakout rooms. These breakout rooms give students and staff the opportunity to join in groups and discuss topics and ideas amongst each other. The host also has the option to automatically or manually select who gets placed in which room. To start, we are going to open up the Zoom application and start our Zoom meeting. When everyone is in the meeting, click Breakout Rooms. A pop-up menu will be displayed with three options: Assign automatically, Assign manually, and let participants choose a room. First, you will want to note how many breakout rooms you want to create. It defaults at one breakout room, but you can adjust to the number of rooms you need. When you assign automatically, it will randomly assign the appropriate amount of students to each breakout room. At the bottom of the creation menu, it will remind you how many students will be put into each breakout room automatically. After you create, it will show you who was placed in each room, and you can still adjust students manually before opening the breakout rooms. You can also rename the rooms from Room 1 to a name that may be more appropriate for your meeting. This is an option with any of the breakout room creation methods. When you manually assign the rooms, it will take you to a new menu to create the rooms. No one will be assigned to any of the rooms. You will need to assign and then put a check mark in front of each student you want to add to the respective rooms. You can also let students choose their own rooms. From the second menu, you can pre-assign, but they can then switch rooms as needed. When this is the option, the students will receive a breakout room option on their Zoom menu, and from there, they can choose which room they will need to be in. On this menu, where you can assign and adjust students, there is also an options menu. From here, you can adjust different options, choose whether students can move rooms, leave on their own, how long the rooms last for, how they enter, and how the rooms close at the end. As a host, you can go between rooms and interact with the people within them and leave whenever you want. From the breakout room, you can join rooms, move to a different room, and you can also broadcast messages to every room. At the end of the breakout session, you can close the room to have everyone return to the main room, or you can let the timer end the session for you.